This show is all about the sky, so we're going to make our own galaxy bottles. You guys, these are so cool. Take a look at them. They're filled with clear glue and glitter so that when you shake them, it looks like the galaxy. Amazing. There's a couple different ways we're gonna make them. The second way is with clear glitter glue, and this is gonna have the glue like create an effect where it sticks to each other, more of a lava lamp type effect. Let's see what we need to make them. So you'll need some clear glue or glitter glue, glue dots, some glitter, empty bottles, and you'll need some tap water at room temperature, really important. Some thick glue, a funnel, and just as much glitter as you can find. So I've gone ahead and filled my bottle with room temp tap water. About halfway is good. You can always add more if you want. And then the next thing we're gonna do is plop that funnel right on in there and fill it up with whatever you want. I'm gonna use some shaped glitter, some stars. You can pour in some other colored glitter if you want. Just mix and match whatever you want. You're creating your own galaxy. And I'm gonna add some chunkier pink glitter. It's fun to mix and match the different glitter sizes. And you need a lot. So now we're gonna take that funnel out and add some clear glue. The more glue you add, the slower your glitter is gonna move. Less glue and your glitter is gonna fall to the bottom faster. So we're just gonna set that up and kind of just give it a squeeze and just fill this up. And that looks good. And then you would fill the remaining with a little bit more water. And you kind of want to do this in different steps and kind of check it as you go to see if you like the effect that you're getting. Before you close it up, you're going to add a little bit of thick glue around the lid, and that's going to prevent the lid from coming off because that could be a big mess. And then twist that on, give it a shake, and you've got a galaxy bottle. Now for this one, we're going to take a second bottle, grab your glitter glue, in whatever your favorite color is, and just squeeze it in, and there it goes. And that's how it's gonna look when you shake it up. So that's a good place to start. You can always add more. Add a little bit of glue like we did before, and then just give it a shake. And you can see how that glue just holds its shape right in there. And sometimes it clumps up. The more you shake, the more it breaks up. But aren't these galaxy bottles just the coolest?